Hey everyone! Welcome back to Science Club, where we dive into the world of science and chemistry. If you're a high school student with a passion for chemistry, you've come to the right place. Today we've got 12 amazing chemistry project ideas to spark your curiosity. Let's get started! First up, we have green chemistry. Chemistry is not just about bubbling concoctions, it's about solving real-world problems. That's where green chemistry comes in. It's like being a chemistry superhero, fighting pollution and waste with every experiment. Make reactions more efficient, using less energy and producing less waste. Imagine designing a powerful biodegradable battery, or creating biodegradable plastics from plants. The possibilities are endless. Next up is a colorful adventure in chemistry, natural dyes. Extract vibrant dyes from fruits, vegetables, and plants. Unlock hidden rainbows in your backyard.
Experiment with onion skins for yellow dye or beets for red. Compare natural dyes to synthetic ones in the sun.
Let's dive into something crucial. Water purification. Water is essential, but over 2 billion people lack safe drinking water.
Become a water warrior, designing your own purification system. Use materials like sand, gravel, and charcoal to filter impurities. Explore treatments like chlorine tablets or UV light to kill bacteria.
Get your aprons ready because it's time to explore chemical reactions in cooking. Ever wonder why bread rises or how to make the perfect cheese soufflé? It's all chemistry in action.
Investigate the science behind your favorite culinary creations. Experiment with leavening agents to see how they affect texture. Try making yogurt or kimchi and learn about fermentation.
Let's talk trash, specifically plastic trash. It's everywhere. What if we could create plastics that break down naturally? That's the goal of biodegradable plastics. Experiment with cornstarch, seaweed, or mushrooms to create biodegradable plastic. Test its strength, flexibility, and decomposition time. Have you ever seen a rusty old car or a crumbling bridge? That's corrosion in action, a chemical process that damages metals. But fear not, science to the rescue. With corrosion and rust prevention, you can become a metal guardian. Investigate methods like painting, galvanizing, or using alloys. See how well they protect metals in various conditions. Chapter 7. Energy storage. Power up the future. Our world runs on energy, but storing it sustainably is a challenge. That's where you come in. Become an energy innovator. Build and test batteries with different materials. Experiment and improve their capacity and lifespan. Chapter 8. Chemical indicators. Unmask the secrets of solutions. Ever wondered how scientists determine the pH of a solution? They use chemical indicators, substances that change color with acidity or alkalinity. Extract natural pigments from red cabbage, blueberries, or turmeric. Test them on household liquids and watch the colors change. Chapter 9. Perfume chemistry. Concoct your signature scent. Unleash your inner chemist and create your own signature scent. Learn to extract essential oils and mix them to create unique aromas. Experiment with combinations like lavender, rosé, or citrus. Discover the science of fragrance notes. Get ready for a chemical showdown. In this corner, we have organic chemistry, the study of carbon-containing compounds. And in the other corner, we have inorganic chemistry, encompassing all other elements. Compare their properties, reactivity, and solubility. Discover their importance in medicine, materials science, and environmental science. Plastic waste is a huge problem, but did you know that chemistry can help us turn that trash into treasure? Plastic recycling explores the chemical processes involved in breaking down and repurposing plastics. Investigate methods like mechanical recycling, chemical recycling, and thermal depolymerization. Learn about the challenges and opportunities in plastic recycling and innovative technologies. Get ready to speed up your chemistry game with chemical kinetics. Study the rates of chemical reactions and the factors that affect them. It's like being a chemical race car driver controlling reaction speeds. Investigate how temperature, concentration, surface area, and catalysts affect rates. Use reactions like the iodine clock or baking soda and vinegar to visualize effects. 12 exciting chemistry projects to explore the wonders of science and make an impact. Whether it's environmental issues, practical applications, or just fun, there's something for everyone. What excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. Enjoyed this video? Thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more science content. Thanks for